tradition, culture, and heritage.
Can you feel the beat of the drums and hear all the voices singing loud?
One sound, one voice, one festival. One sound, one voice, one Ilocos Sur. Come and sing, dance and sing. Intayon, Ilocos Sur.
Makipag-asa, intayon, Ilocos Sur. Makipag-asa, come and dance in Ilocos Sur.
The part of our culture and tradition we treasure, where the past and the future collide.
The celebration begins, intayon, Ilocos Sur.
Now, what is a huge standout for me, Linox, wasn't just their confidence, but about how each gentleman carried himself on stage. You know, calm, composed, and just very comfortable in his own skin.
Exactly, Joe. And this isn't just about the physique, but it is also about the presence, posture, and how confidently a candidate represents himself.
Right? And you can really see how much preparation went into this segment, from discipline, and that's the keyword, to dedication, Linox. It truly shows. It truly shows. Now, I just have one important question to ask
what
you,
is
Linox.
it?
So fancy me. Having seen all that, is it difficult for you to keep your focus hosting?
Woohoo! Very professional,
No, just
John.
kidding.
Very professional, of course. But seriously, our judges have quite challenged ahead of time. Ladies and gentlemen, ito pang pinakamahirap na segment of all. Very
That
difficult,
they
Joanne.
certainly do, Linox. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you already have a favorite, don't forget to keep supporting them all the way to the coronation night.
Of course, so long before modern fashion and contemporary design, the people of Ilocos Sur had already mastered the craftsmanship of weaving, an art known today as the Abel Iloco.
Abel, meaning hand-woven fabric, is one of the most enduring symbols of Ilocano heritage. Passed down through generations, this craft reflects the patience, discipline, and resilience of the Ilocano people.
Right, just like what I'm wearing today. And today, Abel Iloco continues to evolve. While remaining faithful to its origins, it has been reimagined by modern designers, blending heritage with contemporary style and bringing Ilocano identity to new generations and, of course, global audiences.
As our candidates take the stage wearing casual Abel, they carry with them not just fashion, but history, a woven legacy of culture, craftsmanship, and Ilocano pride.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, featuring designs by talented Ilocano designers, welcome to the Abel Casual Wear Competition! Let's begin with Alilim. This Abel Casual Ensemble showcased a modern take on traditional Ilocano weaving, highlighted by bold black and white patterns that reflect strength and simplicity. The look features a relaxed sleeveless vest paired with wide-length pants, creating a comfortable yet confident silhouette perfect for everyday wear. Blending heritage with contemporary style, the outfit celebrates Abel craftsmanship while embracing effortless youthful elegance. Designed by Johnson Seneca. Alilim. Let's welcome Banayoyo. This short-sleeve Abel casual set features a soft powder blue top with a matching belt paired with coordinating pants in the same serene hue. The outfit blends traditional Abel weaving with the modern, comfortable cut, perfect for everyday wear with style and ease. Designed by John Van Paking, Banayoyo. Next we have Bantay. This Abel casual look features a cropped outer with a standing collar paired with relaxed trousers for a modern, effortless silhouette. The layered textures and neutral tones create a clean, contemporary style rooted in Ilocano-inspired designs. Designed by Mark Leo Aguilar. Bantay! Now we have Burgos. This highlights the timeless beauty of Ilocano weaving, blending tradition with modern comfort. Made from authentic Inabel textiles, it represents cultural pride, sustainability, and Filipino craftsmanship, proving that heritage can be both stylish and wearable. Designed by Menandro Herald Alisdan, Burgos. Next up is Candon City. This Abel casual attire features a vibrant plain orange Abel that symbolizes warmth, creativity, and the lively spirit of Ilocano culture. It is accented with a checkered Abel binacol in violet, white, and orange, adding depth and visual rhythm, rooted in traditional Ilocos Sur. Together, these style textiles created a modern yet culturally grounded ensemble that honors heritage while embracing contemporary style. But designed by John Van Paking, Candon City. Now we have Kawayan. Woven with strength of every Ilocano soul, this Abel Iloco ensemble makes my heritage whole. With intricate patterns of green, yellow, and gold so bright, I stand as a gentleman, giving honor to Kawayan as the Abel capital of the province. From the looms and weaves of Ilocos Sur to the pageant stage, carrying the wisdom of every age, a tribute to every weaver and a legacy to go grand, representing the heart of our beloved Ilocos Sur, Kawayan. Next we have Cervantes. This casual Abel ensemble proudly represents Cervantes. With rich cultural roots from the Ilocos region, the cream-colored polo serves as a classic base, layered with a green vest that complements the matching green Abel parts, all added with distinctive geometric and nature-inspired patterns iconic to Ilocano weaving. The Great Lands Legacy by Melvin Amistad, Cervantes. Now we have Galimuyod. Abel Iloco casual vest in a three-dimensional style pattern paired with fitted pants, showcasing brown, black, and white hues that highlight the intricate textures of traditional Ilocano weaving. Its modern cut and dynamic design blend cultural heritage with a contemporary stylish look, perfect for festive occasions. Designed by Hiro Arevalos, Galimuyod. Now we have Gregorio del Pilar. This short-sleeve Abel casual set showcases a vibrant blue top with powder blue lining and a matching belt paired with pants that feature coordinating powder blue accents. The ensemble combines traditional Abel fabric with a modern, comfortable design perfect for stylish everyday wear. Designed by Mark Urbano, Gregorio del Pilar. Next, we have Lidlida. This long-sleeved Abel casual outfit features a design in striking black and orange hues, accented with a matching belt that cinches the waist for a stylish silhouette. Its lightweight fabric and relaxed cut make it perfect for both comfort and everyday elegance. Designed by Edgardo General. Lidlid da! Next we have Magsingal. This Abel Santa casual ensemble features a vest-style top crafted from traditional weaving, highlighting the rich patterns of Santa's heritage. It is paired with wide-legged pants adorned with intricate designs along the side, adding a modern touch to classic craftsmanship. The outfit blends comfort and tradition, celebrating the timeless elegance of Abel weaving in everyday wear. By Ricky Ching, Magsingal. Next we have Narvacan. Once again, Narvacan. Next up on stage, Carine. The famous Abel Iloco casual features a sleeveless vest-like top with a belted design in an off-white color. It highlights traditional Ilocano weaving with a clean, simple style suited for everyday wear. Designed by John Win Valdez, Carine. Next up is Salcedo. Clad with black Abel Iloco, crowned with white linings above, the attire speaks of quiet strength and timeless grace. The contrast frames the man's masculinity, bold yet refined, rooted in heritage and discipline. In every line and weave, power and tradition stand in perfect harmony. Designed by Marjo Luquingan, Salcedo. Next up, San Emilio. Abel Iloco fabric casual wear, this modern male casual set is crafted from authentic Abel Iloco fabric, reimagined with a contemporary silhouette that balances heritage and everyday comfort. The sleeveless top features structured shoulders and a clean V-slit neckline, giving a bold yet relaxed profile. Designed by Atty Molina, San Emilio. Now we have Santa. The Ilocos Abel industry is known for its rich and distinctive patterns, symbolizing the movements of animals, water, and nature, often accented with embroidered names and details. Mr. Santa's ensemble showcases this heritage through a coat made of Abel Santa with cream-colored Abel Iloco accents, a vest crafted from pure Abel Iloco to highlight his skin texture, and pants made entirely of Abel Santa to create a silhouette that enhances the overall design. Designed by Cliff Joffer F. Galinato and Jansen Seneca, Santa. Next we have Santa Catalina. This Abel casual wear blends traditional Ilocano fabric with a neat and comfortable design. The red and black colors give a strong and confident look. Designed by Marky Urbano, Santa Catalina. Next, we have Santa Cruz. This Abel Kawayan casual attire is inspired by Solihia patterns, reimagined on the top to reflect traditional weaving with a modern breathable feel. It is paired with wide-length pants and a culotte skirt with half pleats, creating a relaxed yet refined silhouette. The ensemble blends heritage craftsmanship with contemporary comfort, making it a graceful expression of everyday Filipino elegance. Designed by Ricky Cheng, Santa Cruz. Next, we have Santa Lucia. The casual Abel Iloco crop top in violet and black, showcasing the traditional Ilocano weaving patterns with a modern stylish twist. Its comfortable design highlights the rich cultural heritage while making it perfect for everyday wear or festive. Designed by Edgardo General. Santa Lucia. Next up, we have Santa Maria. This Abel casual was named Diego. This is an interpretation of the famous and modern casual wear. Diego manifests masculinity, bravery, and responsibility. This casual wear was made of special Abel black fabric accentuated with silver shiny material strands for strength, determination, and fortitude of a true Filipino. Designed by Juan Lopez, Santa Maria. Next we have Santiago. The Abel Iloco casual short sleeve outfit has two straps in powder blue and gold color. It looks simple, neat, and inspired by traditional Iloco design. Designed by Marky Urbano, Santiago. Next we have Santo Domingo. This Abel casual look features a cropped outer with a Chinese collar paired with a fitted skirt and a side slit for a refined modern silhouette. The balanced proportions and clean lines create a contemporary style inspired by Ilocano aesthetics. Designed by Mark Leo Aguilar, Santo Domingo. Next we have Sigay. Sigay. Now we have Sinai. Sinai. Next we have Sugpon. Ilocos Abel casual vest made from brown woven fabric, accented with beige Abel panels arranged in a layered wrap design. It reflects a simple yet elegant Ilocano style, highlighting traditional weaving and natural colors. Designed by Ethelaya Sugpon. Next we have Suyo. Suyo. Now we have Tagodin. The casual was made with 100% Ilocos Abel in shades of blue with fringes. It shows how versatile Abel fabric serving you a high fashion and campy look. Designed by Ramel Estabilio. Tagodin. Next we have Vegan City. This Abel casual design blends Santa Abel, Pinakol, and Vegan Abel into a modern, relaxed silhouette with a turtleneck top, loose sleeves, and tailored pants. The rich maroon palette and woven textures highlight Ilocano craftsmanship while keeping the look contemporary and wearable. Designed by Mark Leo Aguilar, Vegan City.
There you have it, our gentlemen sporting their Abel casual wear.
And you know what, partner? Just like what I'm wearing right now, I'm so proud of showcasing the Abel Ilocos as well. We'd like to proudly say this is our product, one of our products here in the Heritage Province of Ilocos Sur. And kudos once again to our designers.
Of course, Linox. And now, ang importante sa mga kinds of pageants nito is that we don't only get to see their physical appearance, their physique, but we get to hear their heart out, their perspectives, what stories they bring to the world, or sorry, to the province, right?
Yes.
Because each of them are representing their communities, and that's why when they stand here, we hear the heart of all their people.
Well, partner, you're not mistaken. It's not only about the province, but also we're showcasing what we have here in Ilocos Sur to the whole wide world, to the whole wide universe. We're so proud of our candidates, of course.
Right, Linox. So, ngayon pa lang, good luck to all our gentlemen. And of course, again, as I've said, guys, please don't forget to support them all the way to the coronation night kapag natapos na tayo sa preliminary rounds.
And we don't say good luck to our candidates, but we say good luck to our Board of Judges as well because they have the toughest responsibility for this day's competition.
Right. I'm seeing the very beautiful panel right here, Miss Mariela Bianca Acob. I hope you're having a great time. Are you having a tough time right now?
And I'd like also to say a shout out to my JCI family out there.
Hello,
Thank
hello
you
po
so
sa inyong
much.
lahat. And of course, speaking of gratitude na lang din naman, Linox, maraming salamat po to the Provincial Government of Ilocos Sur for spearheading, for making all of this celebration happen. Of course, I'd like to say thank you to the Festival Chairperson, Honorable Governor Jeremias Jerry Singson, the Festival Vice Chairperson, Honorable Vice Governor Ryan Luis V. Singson, our Sangguniang Panlalawigan members, the Executive Committee Chairperson, Provincial Administrator Marlon Flavier Tagorda, and of course, the Steering Committee Chairperson, Attorney Jannah Singson. Maraming salamat po. And to all of you guys for making this happen, maraming salamat for being here today.
And of course, for all the people behind the success of our events, sa ating mga different committees, thank you so much as well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we now first call our first five candidates to be here on stage for our preliminary question and answer portion.
Again, we will now proceed to the question and answer portion. This segment, Linox, is designed to allow our candidates to demonstrate articulation, clarity of thought, and depth of understanding in responding to questions.
And of course, this segment allows us also, and both our judges and the audience, to gain deeper insight into not only how our candidates think, but also why they articulate their ideas with confidence, clarity, and purpose. Now, each candidate will be given 30 seconds to answer the question. Once you hear the music cue like this, I know there's a music cue for that one.
Right.
It indicates that the allotted time has ended. So now, let's start with Alilem.
And once again, may I hear from the crowd a resounding applause for our first candidate. Hi, you're the first to answer today. Are you feeling nervous?
A little bit nervous, but I know that I can do this.
You can do that, I know too. I believe. So please pick your question.
A lot of papers to pick with. I'll be reading the question twice. What is one Ilocos Sur place you want more people to visit and why? What is one Ilocos Sur place you want more people to visit and why?
I want to visit people. One of the place in Ilocos Sur, which my municipality, which is Alilem, because Alilem reflects the cultural identity of Ilocos Sur, its strong indigenous roots and close-knit community, and unity seen that Alilem mirror the.
Time is up. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Alilem. Great
Ali,
start.
Alilem, everyone. Coming right up, we have here candidate from Banayoyo.
I see a sign of the cross there. Talagang tayong mga Ilocano, we have such a proverbial prudence. We're very religious and we have so much faith in God. Hi! Are you feeling nervous?
Yes, a little bit.
Time to shake up some nerve. Kaya mo yan, okay? Are you ready to take on your challenge?
Yes, I'm ready.
Please pick your question. Your question is, what value do you think every Ilocano man should carry wherever he goes? Once again, what value do you think every Ilocano man should carry wherever he goes?
Every Ilocano man should carry wherever he goes is the values, tradition, and the culture of Ilocos Sur. And that's what's man carry where he goes. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Banayoyo, short but
Pinuyok
sweet.
Banayoyo. Thank you so much.
Up next, we also have from the municipality of Bantay.
How are you feeling, Mr. Bantay?
Kinakabahan po, pero we'll see.
Yeah, that's normal, but I know for sure you can rock this one. So please, pick your question.
Lahat talaga sila kinakabahan. Pero
Yeah,
part
and that's
naman
normal,
yan ng
partner. I
competition.
know.
Okay. Your question is, what kind of man do you want young boys in Ilocos Sur to become? Again, what kind of man do you want young boys in Ilocos Sur to become?
Thank you for that interesting question. The kind of man that I want to the young boys is to be being resilience. Resilience reflects our patience, resilience and quiet strength, qualities that endure Ilocanos to endure challenges with dignity and hope. And I'm proud to be Ilocano. Duras, Bantay. Thank you so much.
Duras Bantay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Mr. Bantay, coming right up is from Burgos. Ayos, Burgos.
Hi. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Ayan, so meron ka bang kasama ngayon?
Mga handler ko po.
Ayan, so please give a quick shout out to them for supporting you here.
Shout out sa mga handler ko dyan!
Ayun, no? Power. Okay. This journey is not taken alone. So, good luck. Marami kang supporters dyan. Please pick your question.
What is one simple way you can serve your community today? What is one simple way you can serve your community today?
One of the simple way I can serve my community today is by joining government programs where I can share my advocacy and I can inspire and motivate my fellow youth to discover their potential and become responsible leaders. And I thank you. Ayos, Burgos!
Thank you so much, Ayos Burgos.
Ayos na ayos. Okay, di ba? I
Okay
really
na
love that
okay,
they're
partner.
shouting their battle cry at the end of their answers. Hi, we have here the city of Candon.
Hello po.
It's the city of love and care, partner.
Right. Are you ready for your question?
I'm ready po, pero parang yung boses ko po yung hindi ready.
Okay
That's
lang
gonna
yan.
be normal. That's gonna be
Yes.
okay.
Yes, lalaban.
Okay. Please pick your question. What is one habit young people should build to succeed in life? Again, what is one habit young people should build to succeed in life?
Young people should, an habit that young people should build to succeed in life is to be proud of their culture, to live up to their culture, and remember that their culture is their identity. Let us remember, ladies and gentlemen, that our culture is the foundation of our identity, and everything that we are doing in life is subjective to what is our culture, then therefore it is also what is our identity. And through utilizing this culture and identity that we have, we can succeed in life. We are utilizing this Ilocano habit.
Time is up. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the city of love and care, Candon City.
Thank you so much. We are truly shaped by the community we live in and grow at.
Mr.
Maraming
Kawayan
salamat.
is next. There you have it. Kumusta ka, Mr. Kawayan?
Kinakabahan po.
Kinakabahan, that's gonna be normal. I know for sure this is one for the books, for you and for the rest of the candidates. So now, please, pick your question.
Kawayan, how do you inspire others without showing off? Again, how do you inspire others without showing off?
Without showing off, how can I inspire others? You know what? We have this very famous political belief that inspiration comes in fear. That we are inspired not because we are motivated, we are inspired because we don't want to be that person that we are. And that is as simply as inspiration I can do. I am to be soon become a professor of political science. And through this belief, through inspiration in different areas, in different geopolitics.
Time is up. Thank you so much. Pardas Kawayan.
Thank you, Municipality of Kawayan.
And I love the question as well, partner.
Right, up next, we also have from the Municipality of Cervantes.
The best Cervantes.
Yeah, and before you answer your question, can we take a look at your smile? Smile naman dyan, yan. So I love the energy, I love the confidence. Good luck to you. Please pick your question.
How can you promote tourism while still respecting local life and values? How can you promote tourism while still respecting local life and values?
Thank you, sir. So how can I promote tourism while still respecting local life and values? First, in order for me to promote tourism, I need first to know what is the local life and values of people, so that I know how can I promote in order for me to...
Time is up. Thank you so much, Mr. Cervantes.
Thank you, Cervantes. Indeed, the best way of promotion is through immersion. Good job, Cervantes. All right, up next we have from the Municipality of Galimuyon.
Guyod, Galimuyon.
I love their battle cry. Nakakatuwa. Hi, Galimuyod. Are you feeling confident right now?
Yes po.
Yeah, perfect. So let's see that confidence in how you answer your question. Please pick one. What is one problem in your community you want to help improve? Again, what is one problem in your community you want to help improve?
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Ilocos Sur. Well, for me, I think that the one problem in our community is education. A lot of young people like me are not really focusing on their education. So I indulge myself as a role model for them to focus on their education, because I believe that with education.
Time is up. Thank you so much. Guyod, Galimuyod.
Thank you, Galimuyod. That's also a note for all of our learners. Guys, mag-aral ng maigi. And thank you, Go, for the suspension ngayon.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Sabay
Go.
ganon, no?
And coming right up is Mr. Gregorio Del Pilar. Buelo Gregorio Del Pilar.
Yan, Buelo, Gregorio. Nakakuha ka na ba ng buelo mo?
Buelo.
Yan, I
Buelo,
love it.
I love the spirit. I love the confidence.
I'm sure you're ready, so go on, pick on your question. What is your definition of real strength? Again, what is your definition of real strength?
Good afternoon once again, Ilocos Sur. My definition of real strength is a man who always shows kindness to others. I do believe that simple act of kindness can make a big impact to each and everyone. I'm always saying this, and I'm gonna get tired of saying this, that in a world where you can be anything, please choose to be kind. That will be all. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you so much. Buelo Gregorio Del Pilar.
Thank you so much for that kind reminder. Guys, always be kind. I love that note. And right here we have from the municipality of Lidlida.
Naalibdak Lidlida.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
It's good.
Feeling good, love it. Feeling good, I
Yeah.
feel good. If you're feeling
Tipid
good,
lang sa answer kasi dito niya talaga ibabanat.
Yes.
Sige. Good
You're-
luck, Lidlida. Your question is, how do you keep going when you feel like giving up? How do you keep going when you feel like giving up?
Well, as a Christian, in my point of view, I consider myself as an optimist and positive person. I do not take my failure as my downfall in my life, but rather I take it as my motivating factor in my life. Because according to the Bible, Luke 18 verse 1, always pray and never give up. Thank you.
thank you so much. Never give up. And to our candidates, never give up as well.
Thank you. Up next, we have the municipality of Magsingal.
Agrimat Magsingal, do you have any message to your supporters out there? What is your message to your supporters out there?
Thank you so much po sa pagpunta. I really appreciate po. Thank you.
All right.
Thank
Now,
you.
Please pick your question.
Such loud cheers, grabe. Ayan, good luck, Magsingal.
How can young men be good role models online and offline? How can young men be good role models online and offline?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Young men can be good role model in online and offline by posting a valuable learnings to our youth and everyone. And in person, you need to be kind to everyone. Because if you are kind to everyone, you are going to be a good role model. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Agrimat Magsingal.
Up next is from the municipality of Narvacan.
Narvacan na isang sangayan.
That warm smile. Are you ready, Narvacan?
Yes po, I am very ready. Some a bit nervous, but definitely booming with confidence at the same time.
And that's gonna be okay.
Let's get right on to it. Please pick your question.
What is one local story, tradition, or value that inspires you? What is one local story, tradition, or value that inspires you?
One local one local story or tradition and value that inspires me the most is the value of respect. Respect to the elders, respect to everyone, and respect to everybody that you are dealing with, everybody that you been with. Because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that if there is respect on everybody, there is peace. And if there is peace, there is unity in the community. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Narvacan na isang sangayan.
Thank you. Coming right up is from the municipality of Quirino.
Amay-ay, Quirino.
Kabisado mo talaga yung battle cry, no?
Of course, partner. Once again, we remind our candidates you're just given 30 seconds to answer. So, how are you feeling?
Nilalamig.
Nilalamig. I know for sure, Chavit Coliseum, malamig talaga. And
Yeah.
we're so much grateful for that, diba?
Time to shake off some nerves. Please pick your question. How can a man lead without being loud or controlling? How can a man lead without being loud or controlling?
Well, thank you. A man can lead without being loud or controlling by simply being a leader of voice, a leader of change, and a leader of inspiration. That despite of many challenges we may face in life, we should have the mind, the heart, and the soul. A mind to think what is right and what is wrong, a heart that is pure as water, and a soul that has kindness to serve and to protect the community and to build a more progressive community.
Thank you so much. Amay-ay, Quirino.
Up next, we have the municipality of Salcedo. So many supporters out there.
What can you say to your supporters? Ano masasabi mo para sa kanila?
Hello guys, good morning. Thank you guys for supporting me here today, and thank you for supporting me throughout my whole journey so far. And yeah, much love guys, thank you.
Much love with a finger heart.
Much love.
All right, please pick your question. Your question is, what does respect mean to you, especially in today's generation? Once more, what does respect mean to you, especially in today's generation?
Thank you very much for that question. I think in today's generation where we all have our own thoughts on things, we all have our own say on things, I believe respect plays a huge role into understanding one another. After all, when we understand one another, it is where we can become united and where we can progress as one Ilocos Sur. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Salcedo. Banat Salcedo.
Up next, we are going to have from the municipality of San Emilio.
Nakyang-o, San Emilio. What does Nakyang-o stands for?
Nakyang-o means being vibrant po and progressive.
Being vibrant and progressive.
Vibrant, and it is fitting that you're wearing a vibrant red right now. Feeling the fire?
Yes.
Okay, let's get that burning. Please pick your question. Your question is, what does responsibility mean when no one is watching? Again, what does responsibility mean when no one is watching?
Responsibility means being also, it is kindness. Because kindness, when we act like that, even when no one is watching, that is the true value that is the true and the spirit of true Ilocano. And responsibility is being the true spirit of Ilocano. And that's why I'm proud to be part of San Emilio and the spirit of the
Nakyang-o, San Emilio. Thank you so much. Coming up is we have Paspas Santa.
So many supporters as well. Hi.
Hello?
Our outfits match together, partner.
Right. Did you sleep well last night? Nakatulog ka naman ba ng maayos?
Well, it was quite a tiring day yesterday since after the opening program, the grand opening parade, we went here to rehearse our blockings for today's preliminary competition.
But I'm sure it's going to be worth it. So
Yes, I hope
let's
so.
get on with it. Please pick your question.
How can pageants help strengthen cultural pride and identity? How can pageants help strengthen cultural pride and identity?
I believe that pageants are platforms for us to empower our causes. Just like me, I am for the people who are less fortunate. And if I win, I would like to use the prize, a portion of my prize, to donate to the needs from charitable organizations and local government units for me to achieve my goals in life. Because I believe that my Lola has always told me, compassion and kindness should always be the first.
Thank you so much, Paspa Santa!
Thank you. Such a generous heart right there. Up next, we have from the municipality of Santa Catalina.
Santa Catalina, how are you feeling?
Actually, I am feeling very grateful because I am here again in this very prestigious stage of Ilocos Sur. And I would like to do a shout out to my mentor who came all the way from South Cotabato just to
layo.
watch me in person. And also to my very supportive girlfriend who are here with me, supporting me also. And to my mom at Hong Kong who is watching live today. I love you, Mom. You raise a good son.
Hello, Mom, at Hong Kong. Thank you so much for supporting Mr. Santa Catalina.
Hello to his support system. You said you're here again on this very stage, right?
Yes.
Is it your second time joining?
Actually, yes.
Wow, good luck. I hope that this year gives a different result for you.
A second time's a lucky charm, I guess.
Thank you so much.
Please pick your question. Santa Catalina.
What do you think makes a good leader? What do you think makes a good leader?
Thank you so much. What I think makes a good leader is being compassionate and someone who is known for integrity. I myself, a student leader of the University of Northern Philippines, we are conducting extension services through the various barangays of Vigan City, and we do my advocacy, which is financial literacy, and we promote financial literacy because I believe that when the marginalized are uplift.
Thank you so much. Ascenso, Santa Catalina. Well, I do have to say, partner, we also have a good leader here in the province of Ilocos Sur, Honorable Governor Jerry Singson.
Thank you. Up next, we have from the municipality of Santa Cruz.
Forward March, Santa Cruz. And he's moving forward. How are you
Santa
feeling?
Cruz is a very familiar face. I had asked the same question I did a while ago. Is it your first time joining this pageant?
Well, obviously, it's not the first time I've been joining pageant.
Ah, not the first time.
Did you prepare for this year?
Well, unexpectedly, they just asked me to represent. Then, well, there's nothing wrong when you join pageants. Of course, it is learning platform for us, to someone who wants to discover themselves.
Well, best of luck to you, Santa Cruz. Please pick your question. Why did you join Mr. Ilocos Sur, and what is your purpose here? Again, why did you join Mr. Ilocos Sur, and what is your purpose here?
One thing that someone who wants to join pageant is to have the purpose, most especially to encourage and inspire someone who wants to join pageants. I know that we are lack of confidence, we are lack of self-esteem, but I am here standing in front of you to overcome that fears and to be stand here and being someone to represent your municipality and even from your family. I hope I could inspire someone today. Thank you.
Thank you. Forward March, Santa Cruz.
Thank you so much.
Up next, we also have from the municipality of Santa Lucia.
Ranyag Santa Lucia, I think you're also a candidate from last year.
Yes, of course.
So what are the things you've improved for today's or for this year's competition?
Actually, this competition, I don't have that much time to prepare because, of course, I do have works. But yeah, if opportunity opens, I grab it.
All right.
Yeah.
So I know for sure you can do it this time. Do it this one again.
Your question is, how can young men help preserve our traditions in a modern way? How can young men help preserve our traditions in a modern way?
Young men can preserve our modern way by being able to share their knowledge, our cultures and tradition to the tourists. And of course, they can be able to share to the platform, different platforms like social media, our rich culture and tradition. And by being able to being knowledgeable enough for being a good influence to the other youth to always encourage everyone to look upon our own culture and tradition, that will be very helpful for our province. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ranyag Santa Lucia.
Up next is the municipality of Santa Maria.
Love the outfit. Baka may gusto kang pasalamatan for the outfit as well.
I would like to say thank you to all my supporters who are watching the online. Thank you so much, guys. Especially to my coworkers. Thank you.
Hi to our online viewers as well. Thank you so much for supporting our candidates.
Please pick your question.
How can men help make communities safer for women and children? How can men help make communities safer for women and children?
Well, I believe that how we can help the community safer for women and the children is to conduct or implementation by also coordinating to our local government, because that is one thing that we need today to implement such things that will help grow, and especially to the, what we call this one, sorry, the communities for women having a...
Thank you so much, Santa Maria. Up next, the municipality of Santiago.
Go, 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 Santiago.
I love that confident smile. Where does that confidence come from?
I would like to thank my family and my team to, syempre, sinusupport po nila ako.
Of course, this journey is never taken alone. Santiago, please pick your question.
What is one lesson your family taught you that shaped who you are today? What is one lesson your family taught you that shaped who you are today?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My family taught me how to respect and values everything in the world. Especially to my mother, who taught me how to respect other people. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Go, 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 Santiago.
Up next, the municipality of Santo Domingo. So many supporters and another confident smile. Hi, Santo Domingo.
Hello, ma'am.
How
Hi,
are
guys.
you feeling?
I'm good, kinda nervous.
We're kind of nervous, as all the other candidates are, but we're nearing the end. How do you feel? There's just one more segment to finish. How are you feeling right now?
Feeling tense.
Kaya mo yan. Ilabas na natin yan. Galingan mo. Good luck, Santo Domingo. Please pick your question.
There's some magic gesture over there. What part of Ilocos Sur culture should be protected and passed on? What part of Ilocos Sur culture should be protected and passed on?
We should protect our culture and pass down to our next generations. for us to keep and preserve the wellness of Ilocos Sur. Also, our people, towns, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Santo Domingo. Indeed, we really should be taking care of our people, our municipalities, our cities, for a better Ilocos Sur.
That was Alisto, SDO.
SDO. Up next, we are going to have the municipality of Sigay.
Sinaranay, Sigay. What does Sinaranay stand for? Anong ibig sabihin ng Sinaranay?
Sinaranay means people taking care on each other.
Okay.
Ang dami
That's a
nating
trivia,
magagandang
yes.
Ilocano word, no?
Yes.
I'm
And
sure
we should
you're proud
preserve-
na taga-Sigay ka. You are? Are you?
Yes.
Yes, kaya naman ipakita na natin yan. Please pick your question. sorry.
What makes Ilocos Sur unique compared to other provinces? What makes Ilocos Sur unique compared to other provinces?
Ilocos Sur is unique compared to other provinces because it is rich in culture and heritage. And also the people in Ilocos Sur are resilient and welcoming. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'll always say choose Ilocos Sur. It's the best destination for people and tourists.
Thank you. Up next, we are going to have the municipality of Sinait. Hi, Sinait.
Hello.
You're looking very confident right now. Would you like to say hello to your supporters?
Hello to all my supporters who came here today to support me. I am beyond thankful.
I also want to ask, what does the battle cry stand for? What is Singising?
Sing Sinait means the shining spirit of Sinai.
Shines. I hope you're gonna shine for this day, for our preliminary competition.
Your question is, in your own words, what is a modern Ilocano man? Again, in your own words, what is a modern Ilocano man?
A modern Ilocano man is both diverse and flexible. Being a modern Ilocano man, we need to embrace the past values that our ancestors have built and combine it with the future opportunities that the world has today. By doing this, we will be able to raise a generation of progressive men and
Thank you so much,
That was still a good one.
Municipality of Sinait.
Yes, and coming right up, we have Sige Sugpon. Sige.
Talagang na-enjoy mo magsabi ng battle
I
cry,
love the battle.
Linox.
I love the battle cries here in the province.
Ayan. Hi, Sugpon.
Hello po.
How does it feel na patapos na tayo? Anong nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Nervous po.
Siyempre, ninenervyos. Pero okay lang yan. It's part of the competition. Please.
Sige, pili ka na. Sige.
Ayan.
How do you handle pressure without losing your character? How do you handle pressure without losing your character?
Pwede po pang tagal. Paano mo paanohin yung kaba mo? Paano mo i-handle yung pressure? Paano mo i-handle yung kaba mo nang hindi nawawala sa sarili? Kasi ano nga may kati panagde-reviews mo na dakalat ka iti-voice. Kasi ano ka nga nervous? Kasi ano nga steady ka pa din? Kasi ano ka nga correct? Kasi ano nga ikalma din?
How do I handle pressure without losing my character? I handle my pressure doing calming myself and doing
Thank you, Municipality of Sugpon. You know, guys, it's really hard to just stand here, represent your town, answer right after the question has been told, di ba? Ang hirap talaga, Linox.
It's really nerve-wracking to be here on stage with a lot of audience as well, partner.
Yeah, kaya best of luck sa ating mga candidates. You know, we salute you for representing your towns. Kaya dun pa lang, winner na kayo.
So coming right up, we have Napintas Suyo. That's a battle cry.
Napintas?
That's about it. But our candidate is Nagwapo.
Ah. Hi, Suyo.
Hello po.
Iilan na lang kayo. Nina-nervous ka din ba?
Opo.
Okay lang yan, okay? Good luck, galingan mo. Pili ka na ng question.
What does confidence mean to you and how do you show it respectfully? What does confidence mean to you and how do you show it respectfully?
Confidence mean to me by
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Municipality
Mr.
of Suyo. Again, really, it's a difficult job to represent your talents and stand here with so much confidence. Kaya let's give them all the love we can give them. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga candidates. And now, we have here Tagodin.
In God we trust, Tagutin.
Yun. Kabisado. Hi, Tagodin.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Do you trust in God?
Yeah, we always put God first.
Right. We are, sabi ko nga kanina, proverbial prudence. That's one of our many values as Ilocanos. So I'm sure that God has placed you here for a reason. So we trust that purpose. Please pick your question. When do you feel most proud to be Ilocano? Again, when do you feel most proud to be Ilocano?
I feel most proud to be an Ilocano if I have the sense of identity. I honored our cultural roots, wherein I live with values of valuing the discipline, respect, and also the resilience. In a modernized world, the world is changing, but we should not forget our tradition, our heritage, and our culture that we need to put into the development while embracing change. So as it goes by,
thank you so much, Mr. Tagodin.
Preserving the past amid the limelight of the present. Maraming salamat, Tagodin. Now down to our last candidate. We have from the city of Vigan.
Viva Vigan!
Yun, daming supporters. Would you like to say hello to them?
Okay, good morning everyone. Agyaman lang kada kayong imay kada ito'y event ko. Especially classmates ko. Thank God nga na suspend ti class. Pablo, thank you so much. This answer is for you.
Ayun, no? I'm sure you're ready to answer your question. Na merong ganyang kadaming supporters, so please pick one.
Why is it important for men to know their roots and identity? Why is it important for men to know their roots and identity?
It is important for us to identify or understand our roots as Ilocano because when we go outside the province of Ilocos Sur, we not only represent who we are, we carry Ilocos Sur on our shoulders and on our chest. So I believe we need to embrace the Ilocano virtue, Ilocano values for us to showcase and preserve what it means to be an Ilocano so that we can proudly say, Intayon, Ilocos Sur!
Viva Vigan!
Thank you, Vigan, and thank you to all of our candidates. that wraps up our question and answer portion for Mr. Ilocos Sur 2026.
Well, partner, I must say, they rock it. They rock it. I'm so speechless. Thank you so much once again to our candidates and of course the support coming from our audience. Maraming salamat po with all of your cheers and applauses. Thank you so much for lending your ears.
Right, that was truly an insightful round, Linox. You can clearly see how each gentleman approached the questions with clarity, character, substance, and leadership potential.
I agree, Joanne. And of course, the question and answer portion really gives us a glimpse into how our candidates think, reflect, and communicate under pressure.
As a reminder to everyone, the scores from this segment will carry significant weight in determining the top 15 semifinalists for Coronation Night.
And that is right. So every answer, of course, every thought and every expression contributes to the journey toward the Coronation Night.
And so once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's please give our candidates a big round of applause.
They all deserve to be given those applauses. Now, as we move forward for this morning, we have now arrived at the final segment of today's preliminary competition.
This portion of the competition highlights refinement, composure, and the confidence of a true gentleman.
And in a few moments, our candidates will return to the stage wearing their formal attire.
This segment allows us to see how each candidate carries himself in a setting that calls for poise, confidence, and timeless sophistication.
So ladies and gentlemen, guests, audience, please sit back and enjoy as our gentlemen return to the stage for the Formal Wear Competition!
Let's begin the formal wear competition with Alilim. Alilim. Now let us welcome Panayoyo. Elegance meets allure, representing Pantay. Pantay. Now we have Burgos. Burgos. Next up is Candon. Candon. Now we have Kawayan. Kawayan. Next up is Cervantes. Cervantes. Now we have Kalimuyod. Kalimuyod. Next up, Gregorio del Pilar. Gregorio del Pilar. Now we have Lidlida. Lidlida. Now we have Magsingal. Magsingal. Next to the stage, Narvacan.
Narvacan. Next we have Quirino. Quirino. Now we have Salcedo. Salcedo. Next on stage, San Emilio. San Emilio. Now we have Santa. Santa. Next on stage, Santa Catalina. Santa Catalina. Next we have Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz. Next up, Santa Lucia. Santa Lucia. Now we have Santa Maria. Santa Maria. Next on stage, Santiago. Santiago. Now we have Santo Domingo. Santo Domingo. Next on stage, Sigay. Sigay. Now we have Sinai. Sinai. Next we have Sugbon. Sugbon. Next on stage, Suyo. Suyo. Now we have Tagodin. Tagudin. Next we have Vegan. Vegan. Let's welcome back our candidates in their formal wear.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let us give a big round of applause once again to our handsome candidates in their formal wear.
With that, ladies and gentlemen, we officially come to the end of the Mr. Ilocos Sur 2026 preliminary competition.
Our gentlemen have truly given their best today, competing with confidence and discipline. After such an intense and exciting morning, we think it's fair to say that you've all earned, candidates, you've all earned a moment to relax and enjoy the rest of the day. Pamper time!
Right, Linox. And while today marks the end of the preliminary rounds, guys, the competition is far from over. Our candidates will once again take the stage to compete in the final round of competition during the coronation night.
And now to everyone out here, we officially invite every one of you to join us on February 5 at 7 p.m. here at the Chavez Coliseum as we witness the crowning of the next Mr. Ilocos Sur.
To all of our dashing and dapper gentlemen, we wish every one of you the very best of luck. Any one of you could bring home the title on the coronation night.
Outstanding performance. And of course, gentlemen, thank you so much for showcasing your talents with us. Thank you for sharing your passion, your confidence, and your Ilocano spirit on the stage with us. This has been Lennox Quinola.
And I am Joanne Reyes. Thank you to everyone who showed their support this morning. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause for the candidates of
Mr. Ilocos Sur 2026.